She's glass. She's giving glass. Good morning, besties. The voice crack was real. Good morning, besties. I'm gonna show you guys a fall morning and night routine today. So I slept in today because I wanted to. So now we are going to go to the gym. So first things first, we're gonna change into a outfit to go to the gym. I will show you guys what I'm wearing and we'll go from there. Okay, this is the outfit today. We have this white tank top from Aerie, and then these shorts are also from Aerie. If I'm being honest, I wouldn't totally recommend these because they're very long, and I usually just fold them down because they're just a little too high-waisted for me. But if you like that, then you should get them. But yeah, this is the outfit, and then I'm just gonna put on this White Fox hoodie. It's a little green, doesn't match the other green. I like to usually wear a hoodie when I first walk into the gym. So I don't usually do anything to my face, like I don't put makeup or skincare on. That's just like a personal choice of mine. Obviously everybody's different, but before I go to the gym, I usually wake up, go to the gym. When I come back, that's when I eat. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of makeup on, only because my face gets so red and like kind of embarrassing, you know? But you're there to work out, so like what are people gonna say? Honestly, probably nothing because nobody cares. I think today I'm going to do like a booty day, and honestly, I haven't done a booty day in a very long time because a lot of the time I focus on my arms because that's like my main insecurity. So yeah, we're gonna work on booty today. This is basically how I'm gonna show up to the gym. And then I'm gonna take my OxyShred, so let's go upstairs and I'll show you guys what I take. Okay, so first things first, before I go to the gym, I take my OxyShred, so I take a little bit of water. And I've been taking the OxyShred Frosted Apple, which is kind of a slay for today because, hello, fall apple vibes, I don't know. It tastes literally just like a apple. I really like this flavor. I think it tastes really good. My only thing I would like to say is that OxyShred, the dyes are insane. Like I had a pink flavor, I think the strawberry one, so my lips were not as dyed, so I didn't even know that they were dyed. But with this green one, you can really tell, and like the inner bit of my lip, like here and here, become green. Really excited to go to the gym. I'm gonna force myself to go on the Stairmaster, which I had not gone on in a very long time. So we'll see how I do. But you guys will come along with me. So let's go to the gym. We're here. Fit for Less slay. I'm actually so surprised, but I found a parking spot really close to the gym. So I guess it's my lucky day, you guys. Okay, let's go do some booty workout. Let's go to the gym. After 10 minutes on the Stairmaster. It was so hard. Oh, that one was a hard one. Like, honestly, I don't remember the Stairmaster being that awful. I literally look like I'm dying because of the blue from the drink. I'm on my way home now. We'll get ready for the day and make some breakfast. I literally look like I'm dying with the blue. I'll see you guys when I get home. My pores are like so huge right now. Do you see this? It's that like phobia where you have a fear of tiny holes. Sorry, I'm phobiaing you. Spooky. My face is so red, it's embarrassing. That's so bad. Okay, I actually haven't written in my 5-minute journal in a hot minute. I thought that maybe while we're waiting for my body to relax, we're going to quickly write in our 5-minute journal, and then we are going to start getting ready for the day. This is kind of like good for your mental health. It always starts with like a quote, 3 things that you're grateful for, 3 things that would make today great, and then 2 daily affirmations. And then tonight we're gonna do 3 amazing things that happened today and how could I have made today even better. So let's go ahead and just journal for a minute, and then we'll relax and we'll go start getting ready for the day. If I'm not working the days I'm off, I try and work on my YouTube stuff, and I still want to like look good. You know what I mean? Feel good, look good will make me want to do good. So let's quickly head into the bathroom and start getting ready for the day. Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Okay, so this is the outfit I'm gonna wear today. This cardigan at the thrift store, actually. This is the brand that it's from. And then this bandeau, I believe I got at Garage. These jeans, so cute. They're so like scarecrow fall vibes. Also thrifted these, but I checked the label, it said they're from Hollister. Last time I went thrifting, obviously it was a success, so I got some really cute fall outfits. Now I'm gonna quickly just put my makeup on. I'm gonna do like a speed through because you guys don't care. And then we'll go upstairs and have some breakfast. It's a gloomy ass day out, and you can tell by like the lack of sun that is coming through this window. Wow, why is it so dark? I actually just filmed a short to show you guys all the products that I use and like how much they cost, so that will be coming out soon. We're all ready to go for the day. Now we're gonna have our first meal, which is our breakfast. If I'm being completely honest, I always have like breakfast, a big breakfast and a big supper. I don't really have like anything in between. Sometimes I have like a snack, but like my lunch is not like a meal, it'll be like a little snack. I'll show you guys what we're gonna have for breakfast. It's gonna be like a fall protein smoothie and some scrambled eggs, and it's gonna be so good. So I'll show you guys how to make it. I hate that it's so like dark in my room, but this is what we're working with. We got 3 eggs, 3 pieces of bacon, and our protein smoothie. Honestly, I am not a fan of this protein smoothie. It does not taste good. I'm gonna eat some breakfast and it's gonna be so good. Okay, you guys, I'm done breakfast, so now we gotta get to work. So I have a lot of editing to do, so that is what we're gonna do till like 4 o'clock. I usually like do that straight, make sure all my editing's done for the day because I really want to post for tomorrow. Like I need to, it's been a while, so let's go, let's get some work done. Okay, you guys, it is about 4:10, if you don't believe me. It's time to start my night routine. Obviously, every day is different depending if I work the next day or if I have the next day off. But today I actually work tomorrow, so we're gonna start early. It's still warm enough to go for walks. I think that when it starts getting cold, I'm gonna buy myself a walking pad because I do like to walk. I just don't like the cold. I'm gonna put this on. It goes like around your waist. Obviously, I'll show you what it actually looks like. This is like super old. I've been debating like investing in like a better one. I bought this at like Winners a million years ago. And basically I like to put it on for my walks. I like doing my hot girl walks at the end of the day, but it's kind of getting colder and I'm not about the coldness, you guys. Wrap it around my waist and then usually I put a hoodie on top. It is kind of still hot out, but I think I'm gonna put a hoodie on because I don't like that you can like see it. I really miss my hot girl walks at the beach, you guys, but obviously it's getting a little cold, so I want to go in nature, like sorry, I'm trying to beat a cold here. I would love to do like a nature walk, like see the leaves and stuff, but there's a lot of bear sightings recently on all our trails, so I'm just getting a little nervous. I like to walk in like neighborhoods that I like to manifest. I don't know if that's like weird, but I don't walk in my own neighborhood. I usually drive to a place and walk there. I'm just putting on my shoes and then we're gonna head out. I just put a little sweater on just in case it gets cold. And also I don't like when people can see my waist trainer, so it's just best if I put something on top of it. Also, don't come for me. This might be filmed on a different day that I filmed my morning routine, but I wanted to put these both in the same videos even though they might be different days. So I think my nails might be a little different from the morning routine, so just, you know, ignore that, okay, babe? I always bring my headphones. I need new ones, but these are my Beats headphones. And then I always listen to a podcast. I've been trying to be in like my podcast era. When I go on my hot girl walks, I don't like to listen to music. I feel like it's more calming to listen to a podcast. My type of podcasts on my hot girl walks are like, I love listening to girls, but them talking about like self-improvement. Like, I'm not really about the whole like, let's talk about random stuff. I like talking about like morning routines, night routines, how to better yourself. Like, those are the podcasts I like to listen to on my hot girl walks. Also, my hot girl walks are usually about 50 minutes to an hour. So the longer the podcast, the better. This is what they look like. I'm just really excited. So we're gonna go ahead and listen to them and we're gonna go on our hot girl walk. Let's go. You guys, I just got back from my walk. Oh my god. I wouldn't be surprised if I had a sunburn through all this makeup. My lips are chapped. I'm dehydrated. You guys, let me show you my sweat. I don't think you're ready. Girl, it was a hot walk. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh my god, it's like dripping. Okay, I feel literally disgusting. So next thing is we're gonna head into the shower, get washed up. Usually after my hot girl walk, I do like a really cold shower. Apparently that's like good for you, but also just because I love to be so cozy. If my body's like super hot, then I don't want to wear cozy stuff. So I'm gonna take a cold shower, get washed up. I probably won't wash my hair. I probably won't wash my hair because I washed it yesterday and I just don't want to wash it again. So I'm gonna wash my face, wash my body. We're gonna get into some cozy clothes and then we have some fall cooking to do. I'm so excited. We're gonna do a new recipe today and I hope it's good. Usually when I make new recipes, they're not that great. So let's hope. What we're gonna make for supper tonight is kind of iconic. We're gonna do this butternut squash pasta. Girl, it's gonna be so good. Well, hopefully I can pull it off. But for now, let's go quickly take a shower and get a little more cozy. Look how red my face is when the makeup's off. I have no Halloween pajamas. I've just realized. So I'm literally in a white fox tank and some black sweatpants. She's not giving aesthetic. What do you guys think is something that's like so important that you need to have in your fall routine? I feel like this is the first year where something like new hasn't happened to me, in the sense of like, I graduated college, I'd say like July 2023. So when fall hit, I actually got like my first nursing big girl job. This fall, like, nothing's happened, and I feel like my brain is kind of like, girl, what's the next step? And I feel like that's why I haven't been getting really much into a really good routine, because my body's kind of like confused. So yeah, if this morning and night routine is all over the place, I'm just here to make it more fall-y and more fun, okay? And I love you guys, and if you guys have some tips, like a post-grad, like, help, let a girl know, because I feel like I'm a little lost. She's glass. She's giving glass. First things first is we're gonna go upstairs and get some water. Lately, because it's the fall, every time I make like a recipe or I cook, which I'm really trying to get into, I find I always watch a little Gilmore Girls to get me in the mood. I'm now on season 3. I'm trying to think what episode I'm on. I think maybe like episode 5 or 6. My first time watching Gilmore Girls. And there's 7 seasons and I want to finish it before the fall season ends, which obviously I have lots of time. Okay, now that we're all cozy, our skincare's done, our hair's on a clip because we're still hot. Let's go have some water and start cooking. I don't know why I look so pink in this shot, but the pasta is kind of a slay. I feel like I should have added more like spices to it. It is really good, especially like when you get the bacon pieces, it adds that little like saltiness to it. I just feel like the sauce should have been a little bit more creamy, because right now it does look like a mac and cheese, but there's no cheese in it. So honestly, it is really good. I didn't follow the recipe obviously, but she's a slay. Love these Halloween slippers, they're so cute. All right, you guys, I am cozy in my bed. I always put a glass of water next to my bed because I always get really thirsty, especially when I wake up right in the morning. But also, like, while I go to sleep, I like to sip on a little something. We have a Gilmore Girls going on. There's nothing else I really do but watch one episode and then I'm off to bed. Sometimes I like to read, but lately I just watch an episode and go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. I know it's all over the place, but I hope it was getting you in the fall mood, especially my morning routine and like all the meals and recipes we made. It's just so fall vibes. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.